Hey, this is Xbox 360 Lover, and this is a happy day. Cause I just got my 360 from UPS. I just got my 3. Okay, let's get to the unboxing of this. What? They just sent me some freaking combs? It's a freaking 360. Okay, they sent me this little letter. Dear Xbox customer, so that you can get back to playing and enjoying your Xbox quicker, we have replaced your Xbox console with a replacement unit. Well, where is it? Oh, wait a minute. There it is. Okay. Alright, there we go. Look what they put in yellow. Please accept our apologies for the inconvenience you have experienced by having to send your Xbox 360 in for repair. It is our goal to provide you with the best gaming and entertainment experience possible, and hope to regain your trust and satisfactory and loyalty. Please accept this complimentary 1-month Xbox Live membership card, and two as a gesture of our appreciation to you. Jester would really be making a Xbox 360 that doesn't crap out. Anyway, got a refurbished unit. It only took 3 weeks, not 6, not 4, 3. And I got 1 month of Xbox Live. Microsoft still kind of gay though.